Align the U-anchor plate according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Install the U-anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Finally, flash the U-anchor plate using the manufacturer recommended method. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor Products.